Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on banking and insurance. This is part 2. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. If a check presented for payment after 3 months from the date of the check is known as dash A. Self check, B. Mutilated check, C. Local check, D. Stale check. Correct option is D. Stale check. 2. If a check is torn into 2 or more pieces and presented for payment, it is called dash A. Mutilated check, B. Stale check, C. Local check, D. Self check. Correct option is A. Mutilated check. 3. Cancellation of check is known as dash A. Crossing, B. Opening of crossing, C. Double crossing, D. General crossing. Correct option is B. Opening of crossing. 4. MICR refers to A. Magnetic ink character recognition, B. Magnetic information character recognition, C. Magnetic ink code recognition, D. Magnetic icon character recognition. Correct option is A. Magnetic ink character recognition. 5. The person who seeks protection against a risk and to whom the insurance policy is issued is known as dash A. Insurer, B. Customer, C. Insured, D. Creditor. Correct option is C. Insured. 6. Which principle means that make good or compensate the loss? A. Principle of contribution, B. Principle of subrogation, C. Principle of indemnity, D. Principle of insurable interest. Correct option is C. Principle of indemnity. 7. IRDA stands for A. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, B. Industrial Development and Development Authority, C. Insurance Restructuring and Development Authority, D. Insurance Refinancing and Development Authority. Correct option is A. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. 8. IRDA Act was passed in the year. Correct option is C. 1999. Question number 9. Uberima fidei means that A. Principle of utmost good faith, B. Principle of insurable interest, C. Principle of indemnity, D. Principle of subrogation. Correct option is A. Principle of utmost good faith. 10. Hull insurance related in the case of A. Building, B. Life, C. Machine, D. Ship. Correct option is D. Ship. 11. In the case of life insurance, HLV refers to A. Home legal value, B. Human life value, C. Human legal value, D. House length value. Correct option is B. Human life value. 12. Dash of a life policy means transferring the rights of the insured in respect of the policy to another one. A. Nomination, B. Consideration, C. Assignment, D. Agreement. Correct option is C. Assignment. 13. Both assignment and nomination are possible in the case of insurance policies A. Life, B. Fire, C. Marine, D. Vehicle. Correct option is A. Life. 14. Dash is the price paid by the insured for the risk undertaken by the insurer. A. Wages, B. Premium, C. Salary, D. Compensation. Correct option is B. Premium. 15. Dash schemes are intended to insure a group of individuals together. A. Insurance, B. Wages, C. Salary, D. Group insurance. Correct option is D. Group insurance. 16. Group insurance provides insurance cover to a number of persons under a single policy called A. Master policy, B. Single policy, C. Group policy, D. Marine policy. Correct option is A. Master policy. 17. In the case of group insurance, the amount of premium depends upon A. Types of insurance, B. Amount of premium, C. Terms of insurance, D. Period of insurance. Correct option is B. Amount of premium. 18. Dash means voluntary termination of the correct contract of life insurance by the policy holder. A. Key man insurance policy, B. Surrender of policy, C. Master policy, D. Group insurance policy. Correct option is B. Surrender of policy. 19. Marine Insurance Act comes into existence on A. 1963, B. 1988, C. 1948, D. 1976. Correct option is A. 1963. 20. In the case of marine insurance, hull means that a sinking of ship, a loss of cargo, C. Body of the ship, D. None. Correct option is C. Body of the ship. 21. Dash denotes the act of throwing overboard a part of the ship's cargo in order to reduce the weight of the vessel. A. Barratry, D. Jettison, C. Assign, D. Seizure. Correct option is B. Jettison. 22. Insurance Act came into existence in 1938. 23. Reinstatement policy is related in the case of which policy? A. Life insurance policy, B. Marine insurance policy, C. Fire insurance policy, D. Group insurance policy. Correct option is C. Fire insurance policy. 24. A reinstatement policy is intended to cover damages or losses in respect of dash A. Fixed assets, B. Vehicle, C. Ship, D. Life. Correct option is A. Fixed assets. 25. Payment of compensation in the case of reinstatement policy is in the form of A. Cash, B. Replacement, C. Cash or in kind, D. In kind. Correct option is B. Replacement. 26. Which policy is taken to cover loss on those goods which are lying in different places and the stock value will be continuously fluctuating? Correct option is B. Floating policy. 27. In the case of motor insurance policy, Form A is commonly known as A. Act policy, B. Package policy, C. Act and package policy, D. Liability policy. Correct option is A. Act policy. 28. In the case of motor insurance policy, Form B is commonly known as package policy. Correct option is C. 29. When a particular property is insured with two insurers, it is called dash A. Property insurance, B. Double insurance, C. Single insurance, D. Particular insurance. Correct option is B. Double insurance. 30. Personal accident insurance is highly attractive for dash A. Individuals, B. Partners, C. Industrialists and businessmen, D. Senior citizens. Correct option is A. Individuals. So this is all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel ARO Classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.